In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Instagram video selfie verification not working. So if the video selfie verification is not working on Instagram, at first what you can do is try checking the internet connection. Also try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. After you do that, your problem might be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, the problem might be something else. So in that case, what you can do is simply try checking for the camera permissions of Instagram. For that, launch open app library of your device, find the application for Instagram and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface of Instagram. What you have to do is tap on this option permissions that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see all the allowed permissions over here. If you do not see the option for camera in the allowed section, what you have to do is tap on the option camera in the not allowed section. After you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure allow only while using the app is selected. After you do that, your problem might be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of Instagram. For that, in the app info interface, tap on this option storage and cache. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be solved. If the problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the Instagram. Tap on the option uninstall. Now tap on the option OK and Instagram will be uninstalled. Now what you have to do is install the latest version of the Instagram from Play Store. After that, try doing the verification and your problem should be solved. But sometimes there might be some glitches in the device itself. So in that case, what you have to do is restart your device. Long press on the power button. After you do that, tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted and your problem will be fixed. So that is how you fix Instagram video selfie verification not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.